Now, I want to know why Tracker used steel rivets. In my boat, which I paid all this money for. Why? And they're all rusting now that the paint's wore off. So what's going to happen later on? Are they going to cover it when everything rots away? I'm sure they won't. Rotten deal, man. A rotten deal. Oh, these here are aluminum. Why couldn't they use stainless steel? As much as the boat cost. I don't know. I use stainless when I put stuff in it. I don't understand. All of them. Everything. Even up here. It's all steel rivets. So I guess the bottom is all put together with it. Under the floor. Everything. Alright. Can anybody tell me why? Why my boat's got all steel rivets in it and not stainless? Okay. That's it.